how to sell crypto on Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode I'm going to show you how you can sell crypto on Binance. Now in order to sell crypto on Binance, it's a very simple process. All you need to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, first thing first, you have to go ahead and log in into your Binance account. And once you're logged into your Binance account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now first and foremost, before you do the trading process, make sure your account is verified. Only if you have completed a verification, then only you can do a trading. Now then, to sell crypto on Binance, it's very simple process. Go ahead and tap the trade icon located right in between and click the buy button. After that, you need to go ahead and select the assets. So since we are doing crypto, so go ahead and type in CRO or any sort of cryptocurrency you can use. To that, it's going to take you to this sort of interface. Now go ahead and tap the sell button located in the top right hand side corner, entering the exact amount of crypto that you wish to sell, and click on sell, which is located right at the bottom. Also make sure that you have enough funds, and lastly you'll be taken to the summary page where you need to go through it and confirm all of your information and all that. And that is how you can sell crypto on Binance. So in that way you can sell crypto on Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.